Hi guys, so I thought I could make a little video for today with some clips from the past few days of kind of like a little bit of vlogging, because on Monday I got to go sailing with a friend, and then today I did some Halloween shopping at like TJMaxx and filmed a little haul. And so yeah, I got some clips and footage from that, so yeah, I thought I'd make a little video. So, alright, let's get to the clips. We're going camping. Got a campfire. Those are $12. And this stand is new since last time. Got a few other things over here. These are new. What kind of mug is this? Flower sister? Oh, it's a flower sister. Jamie found this spider. Dead cedar wood. It's interesting. Candle. And that. I got some tote bags here. This one's only $5. I wish it was black though. Well, more black. Summerween tote bag. This bathtub one. They have so much bathtub stuff. Oh, that one's kind of nice. And a skeleton. The same table runners as last time. Oh, I like how this blanket looks. It's a king size knit blanket. Pretty cool print on it and color. It's pretty dark. How much? $60. And then they got this skull blanket. And I saw some pillows over here. Pink ghosty. There's a frog. And this one I think is new. It has a jack-o'-lantern for $30. Oh, and they have this house back here. A spooky house. I kind of like this one. It's kind of cool. And then they also have this one with houses and pumpkins. Looks very fallish. And this, not sure what kind of pillow that is. It looks kind of like a tombstone pillow. And then this skeleton. And then these jack-o'-lantern pillows. And that one again. These are kind of cool. It's a set of different colored pumpkins, like black pumpkin and orange and white. And it's $34. Jack-o'-lantern. I might get the house pillow. They have this cup here. It's kind of nice. It's stainless steel. a stainless steel tumbler with like a metal straw, but it has a scratch on it. Scratches, it looks like. But it's like $14, and it has this bat topper. But I kind of like it. I don't know, it's scratched. And don't really like that shape. Maybe more normal cup shape I'd like more. But it's kind of cool. Bat cup. Some other smaller cups and flour sifters. Pink cups. What's this? Dish drying mats. There's a white pumpkin pillow back there. That's kind of cool. Hi guys, I'm back from my little shopping trip this morning. So I did get a few things from TJMaxx, so I thought I would do a little TJMaxx haul. So I got this cool pumpkin candle with succulents in it that are made out of wax. And it is pumpkin patch scented, and it smells really good. And I thought I would use it for like a pot for my plants maybe after I use the candle, because I have some succulents in like a little pot, but maybe I could put them in this pumpkin pot instead that's bigger. So yeah, I got this cool candle, unless I just use it for decoration, but yeah, we'll see. Then they had this one cool spooky house pillow at our TJMaxx. I had seen this one on YouTube and liked it, so when I saw they had this one at my TJMaxx, I got it, and it's pretty cool. I'm probably gonna put it on my big bed. But yeah, it's got candy corn and kitties and pumpkins and spider webs and bats, and it's a super cool house pillow, so I got that. So yeah, that's what I got at TJMaxx today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.